Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. That is, if you're celebrating. If not, I hope you guys just had a wonderful day. From all of us at Channel 256 and Bitcoin Mining World, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude for your continued support. Whether you're tuning into our news broadcasts, watching our webinars, or listening to the podcast, your time and attention mean the world to us, and it helps us fuel our mission to empower the next generation of Bitcoin miners. I'm your host, Trevor Bello, and I'm here to deliver the biggest stories in Bitcoin and Bitcoin mining, all in about 10 minutes, so you can get back to doing what you love to do the most, not listening to the news. We want you to join us in building the future of Bitcoin mining. When you buy from Bitcoin Mining World, your purchase powers education and decentralization. When you choose us, you're not just buying mining equipment, you're investing in the future of Bitcoin mining. Every purchase supports our mission to educate, uplift, and empower miners worldwide. From hosting boot camps and creating training programs to building a thriving community of miners, your support helps drive decentralization and financial freedom for the next generation. We are shaping a resilient ecosystem where everyone can succeed. Let's mine the future together. Now, for the mining metrics. The current block time today is 872,425. The total network hash rate is 749.4 exahashes. The daily hash price is $60.33 per petahash. We did hit an all-time high of 99,000, as you all know, on November 22nd, and we are currently sitting at 96,300. It seems like we're starting to eat up some of that sell wall. The last difficulty adjustment happened on November 18th and was a 0.6% upwards adjustment. The next adjustment in 503 blocks will happen as of right now on December 2nd. It is slated to be an upwards adjustment of 1.7%. As always, the last thing in the mining metrics is the fee environment. We're looking at about 7 sats per VByte, so make sure you take care of your UTXO count and get those in order. If you're confused on how to do this, feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you. And the last thing before we jump into the first news segment, Bitcoin Mining World has 1,000 used S19 XPs in the US. These are priced at $8.50 a terahash, between 134 terahash and 141 terahash, and they have a 2-month warranty remaining. Go to Scott's Deals on Telegram or reach out to me directly to find out more. We do have other machines for sale as well. And now for the news. Economist Peter Schiff, a well-known critic of Bitcoin, has taken aim at Microstrategy's bold strategy of investing heavily in the cryptocurrency, arguing that it is unsustainable and fraught with risk. Under CEO Michael Saylor's leadership, MicroStrategy has adopted Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset, acquiring a staggering 331,200 Bitcoins, valued at approximately $31 billion as of November 2024. This move has positioned the company as one of the most prominent corporate players in the crypto space, but it also has drawn significant criticism. Schiff has repeatedly expressed skepticism about this strategy, warning that such an extreme reliance on Bitcoin could jeopardize the company's financial stability. He has gone so far as to label MicroStrategy's stock as the most overvalued in its category, predicting that a downturn in Bitcoin's value would lead to catastrophic consequences for the company, potentially even bankruptcy. Schiff described the situation as a potential bloodbath for MicroStrategy's stockholders, should the cryptocurrency market falter. Despite these warnings, MicroStrategy's stock has experienced remarkable growth, driven largely by the rising price of Bitcoin. However, this growth has not quelled concerns over the sustainability of its approach. Critics, including Schiff, argue that tying a company's future so closely to a volatile asset like Bitcoin is a high-risk gamble that could backfire if market conditions change. Schiff's critique reflects broader concerns about the economic implications of Bitcoin adoption, including potential destabilization of traditional markets. For MicroStrategy, the debate centers on whether its strategy will prove to be a visionary move or a cautionary tale of corporate overreach in the cryptocurrency market. As Bitcoin continues to dominate headlines, the company's fortunes remain closely tied to the unpredictable trajectory of the digital asset. Let's talk about some of the educational opportunities that are upcoming in December for Bitcoin Mining World. The first is our Mastermind Deep Dive, presented by EMCD, with an appearance from Jake Chapin. Learn how to maximize profits, master reward models, and learn how to choose the right pool for you. You'll also learn how to manage and maintain your miners to help you maximize your uptime. Go to the link in the description of the video to sign up to view watch this mastermind deep dive. We also have a Bitcoin mining bootcamp that will be coming up in December as well. The Bitcoin mining bootcamp is an intensive hands-on journey into the world of Bitcoin mining. This program is designed for aspiring and experienced miners, providing practical skills and knowledge essential for managing and optimizing mining operations. The online portion of this bootcamp will happen December 10th through the 13th, 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Central. The in-person session will happen December 16th through the 17th. 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central, and that will happen at the Dallas College Koppel Center. Go to Bitcoin Mining World or click the link in the description to find out more. And now back to the news. Marathon Digital Holdings, a leading Bitcoin mining company, has announced the purchase of approximately $615 million worth of Bitcoin, increasing its total holdings to 34,794 Bitcoin. This acquisition underscores Marathon's commitment to expanding its Bitcoin reserves and reflects a growing trend among corporations to adopt Bitcoin as a strategic asset. This move aligns Marathon with other major firms like MicroStrategy, which recently acquired another 14,620 Bitcoin for around $615.7 million. Marathon's significant investment highlights the increasing institutional adoption of Bitcoin and the confidence in its long-term value proposition. As more companies integrate Bitcoin into their financial strategies, the cryptocurrency's role as a mainstream asset continues to solidify. All right, I promised to get you guys out of here as soon as possible. Real quick, I want to tell you about the Pod X by Greenwich Generation.
We're self-miners ourselves, and we understand a lot of the problems that a common miner out there or a common company that runs air-cooled units might experience. And we've helped a lot of other sites that use these air-cooled solutions, and we understand what you go through. Like, we understand the hot air recirc issues that might come with some of these solutions. Like, it's really what drove us to want to try and solve that into one solution, which is what we ended up doing.
The Pod X is an innovation in air-cooled mining containers. It allows you to maximize your uptime, increase your efficiency, and pack more machines into that container. If you guys want to learn more about the Pod X and how it could revolutionize your mining operation, go to podx.bitcoinminingworld.com or click the link in the description to learn more. And for our last story in Bitcoin today, Jurian Timmer, Fidelity Investments Director of Global Macro, describes Bitcoin as exponential gold, highlighting its fixed supply cap of 21 million coins and its increasing adoption as key factors in its value proposition. Timmer explains that Bitcoin's adoption curve resembles those of transformative technologies like the internet and mobile phones, following a rapid growth trajectory driven by network effects. Using models such as Metcalfe's law, which states that a network's value grows exponentially with its user base, Timmer demonstrates how Bitcoin's expanding adoption fuels its valuation. In addition to network dynamics, Timmer integrates the stock-to-flow model to highlight Bitcoin's scarcity, which is further reinforced by its predictable supply schedule and halving events. While the model underscores Bitcoin's rarity, he advises against relying solely on it, advocating for a more comprehensive approach that incorporates user adoption and macroeconomic influences. Timmer also explores the role of macroeconomic conditions, noting that factors like real estate interest rates significantly impact Bitcoin's appeal as a store of value. Lower real rates could accelerate Bitcoin's adoption and enhance its value proposition, while higher rates might slow its growth trajectory. Overall, Timmer frames Bitcoin as a modern digital evolution of gold, a scarce, durable asset with exponential growth potential. His analysis positions Bitcoin as a transformative asset in today's financial ecosystem, offering significant promise as both a store of value and a key player in the future of money. That is all from me today, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. This news broadcast was brought to you by Channel 256 and Bitcoin Mining World. If you enjoyed today's broadcast, we encourage you to like and subscribe for more just like it. We will see you on tomorrow's news.